Finally, it is time to test the Cintiq. Here I'm gonna show you a quick painting that I'm gonna do here in this design. Then I will just paint here while I'm using Affinity Designer. The responsiveness of the pencil, it is really good. I'm gonna paint here a little bit, just like that. During the use of this Cintiq, you don't notice that you are drawing in a glass. There is a texture above of it, and it's really delivering a really nice experience, mainly for the drawing. How awesome is this? The responsiveness, it is really good. You can make quick drawings and make it really nice, as you can see. 3 buttons in order to rotate. I can pan the screen and zoom, as you can see. I want to share with you what I like and what I dislike. I really like the responsiveness of the screen by the 4K resolution. It really delivers a good quality. What I dislike, it is this pen holder that they send in the package. Basically, I'm not being using this so much, and it is, you know, in my wardrobe. And here you can place in the side, but it becomes a bit, you know, too much on the screen, you know. And finally, I want to talk with you about the price. The price of the Cintiq 2022, it is costing around of $3,000. Of course, it is not very cheap compared to products like Huion and XP. Alright, but when I bought this, I bought thinking about the quality. Since I came from the Cintiq 16 Full HD, I never had any kind of problem with Wacom before, and that is the reason that I ended up purchasing them, because of the quality. And also, during my research about which one I should go, Huion or Cintiq, I found that some people was complaining about the Huion support, that it was not very good. If you ask me right now if I recommend you to get this tablet, I will tell you that it depends about your budget and what you're gonna do. If you are gonna work full-time, if you're gonna spend a lot of your time like me, you know, full-time here doing drawings and designing stuff, definitely I would recommend you. But if you are starting, you are a beginner, go with things that is basic, it's cheaper, and as you progress in your career, you can invest more in your tools. Alright, I hope that you really like this video. Leave, you know, the thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos like this, and I want to offer you my classes that is available on my Udemy. You can learn how you can make illustrations using Affinity with me. Okay, I will leave all the links available to you below. I want to thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.